Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. What I want to show you today is some goodies that I purchased, mostly on Amazon, but one at Goodwill. So let's start with the one from Goodwill first. It is this book, and it's called The Evening Garden, Flowers and Fragrance from Dusk Till Dawn by Peter Lower. And I know the book is fairly new. I think it was copyrighted in 1993. So, yeah, I know. We can't really copy it or reproduce it in any kind of way or scan it and share it. But you can tear it apart. And so I wanted to show it to you because just about, see if I can get this where you can see, just about on every single page, one side or the other, is some kind of, I'll say, pencil drawing. I mean, all through the book is that way. And they're beautiful. So, my thinking is, if I can find the signatures in them, hopefully they are string, and I can cut it apart and, use it in a journal, or otherwise, I might have to manipulate the big pictures like that. But look at this, even on a small journal, this could be cut in half like in a traveler's notebook, and that could be used on one of the sides. So I just wanted to share that book with you. This one cost me $1.25, because like I said, it was at Goodwill, and it was on the sticker day with that color that came on the book. So I couldn't pass it by, but I also wanted to get the word out to all of you. So then I was poking around Amazon and got some bingo cards. I think there's like 500 in here. So these will go a long way. I'll be sure to share some of these. But then I found these two different postcards, and I haven't opened them yet. So we're going to do that here together. And I can't remember exactly how much they both cost, but I promise you, it wasn't very much. This one says Memories of Restoring. Cute little tag. So let me see if I can get this off of here. I really don't necessarily want to untie it. Just how I am. What can I say? Yeah, here we go. All right, so let's see what's in here. That is really cute. And I can slide this out without tearing it. Oh, maybe I should have done this off camera. All right, come on. Oh, I see. These tabs come up first. Duh. All right, let's see what we got here. These are the postcards that are in here. I'm just going to kind of flip through them quickly. Cute, aren't they? And they're nice. They feel great. I think there is, see if it says it on here. I want to say there was 30 in here. But aren't they cute? And you really can use them for postcards if you wanted to. But aren't these going to be adorable in some pockets? Wow. This was a good, I'm tickled with myself on this one. Wow, yep. Like these, I like these, I like these, I like these. So anyway, yep. They might need a little bit roughing up on the back side. Alright, well now let's look at this one. Alrighty. Let's see. Alright. These are from the archives of the New York Botanical Garden. Oh, fancy right there with the string. Even though there's so many, I can't get them out. I think in this bundle, I want to say it was 100. And I think this bundle was like maybe $10. I'm thinking, because I figured it would be about 10 cents a piece. Now, I know no one wants to sit through all of these, so I'm just going to go like really fast. And these also are very thick. And again, real postcards that we can use. So these will take tea or coffee staining, I think, very well. And if I read correctly, I don't think there are any duplicates in here. So, anyhow, I just wanted to take, like I said, the time to show you a goodie that I got and thought that it was worth sharing with everybody. And I don't know, it's like I have been getting a lot of things to put journals together, and I'm still in the process of finishing the journals that I've started, you know, last year and the year before, trying to get them done. But I've also started to do a new journal, kind of getting the pages prepped as far as taking an old book and gluing pages together. So I'll be getting along here pretty soon at doing some new ones, but I really do need to finish those old ones and get them out of my way. They're more, you know, personal for me, and I need to go on and finish them. So I'm almost to the bottom of the pile here. Now, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these. You couldn't get this preview on Amazon. They're not going to show you every one of them. But anyhow, this is it. So, there was all kinds on there too, by the way. I mean, it wasn't just, you know, this box of cards. Now, I have to say this was probably one of the better price sets that I saw. Yeah, it's 100 postcards. So, and it comes in this nice little book to keep them nice and clean and organized. So anyway, I hope you like this little shopping spree that I took you on. And please come back to my channel, see what else I'm up to. And I appreciate you very much for joining me on this journey. I appreciate it. Bye.